I'd like to invite you on a journey into the depths of the human mind and its extraordinary influence on the fabric of our reality. We are all participants in the intricate tapestry of consciousness, with our thoughts, words, and actions impacting the realms of perception, creation, and transformation. Today, we will embark on a quest to unravel the mysteries of thought, exploring its remarkable power to shape our lives, relationships, and the world at large. In our daily lives, we perceive the world through the lens of our 5 physical senses: sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. These senses serve as our primary interface with the external environment, allowing us to navigate the world around us and to interact with our surroundings. Yet beyond the realm of sensory perception lies a vast landscape of inner experience, shaped by the subtle interplay of feeling, sensing, thinking, speaking, and acting. At the core of this inner landscape lies the realm of thought, a realm teeming with boundless potential and creative power. Our thoughts serve as the building blocks of our reality, shaping our perceptions, beliefs, and experiences in profound ways. Thoughts, in essence, are energetic vibrations that emanate from the depths of our consciousness. They arise spontaneously in response to various stimuli, ranging from external events to internal emotions and desires. While some thoughts may be fleeting and ephemeral, others take root within the fertile soil of our minds, shaping our perceptions, attitudes, and behaviors over time. One of the most fascinating aspects of thought is its inherent creative power. Just as an artist wields a brush to paint a canvas, we wield the power of thought to shape our reality. Every thought we entertain sends out energetic ripples into the fabric of the universe, influencing the course of events and shaping the circumstances of our lives. At the heart of this cognitive ability to manifest our realities lies the concept of neuroplasticity, a foundational principle in neuroscience that underscores the brain's remarkable capacity to reorganize and rewire itself in response to experience. Neuroplasticity is driven by a dynamic interplay of biochemical, electrical, and structural changes within the brain, mediated by a vast network of neurons and neural circuits. Central to the concept of neuroplasticity is the idea that our thoughts and experiences shape the structure and function of our brains. Every thought we entertain, every emotion we experience, and every action we take leaves an imprint on the neural architecture of our brains, forging new connections, strengthening existing pathways, and pruning away those that are no longer relevant. So how do these neurobiological processes translate into the manifestation of our reality? To understand this, we must first explore the nature of consciousness, a topic that lies at the intersection of neuroscience and spirituality. Consciousness is often viewed as the emergent property of complex interactions within the brain, a phenomenon that arises from the coordinated activity of billions of neurons firing in synchrony. While neuroscientists have made significant strides in unraveling the neural correlates of consciousness, the true nature of consciousness remains one of the most profound mysteries of science. In parallel to the scientific exploration of consciousness, spirituality offers a rich tapestry of insights into the nature of reality and the power of the mind to shape our experiences. Across various spiritual traditions, from ancient wisdom teachings to contemporary mysticism, there is a pervasive recognition of the profound influence of thoughts on the fabric of reality. One of the central tenets of many spiritual teachings is the principle of as above, so below, as within, so without. This concept suggests a deep interconnection between our inner world of thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, and the outer world of events, circumstances, and experiences. According to this principle, our external reality is a reflection of our internal state, a mirror that faithfully reflects the contents of our consciousness. From a neuroscientific perspective, This principle finds resonance in the concept of the brain as a predictive organ, an organ that generates internal models of the external world based on past experiences, beliefs, and expectations. These internal models, or schemas, serve as filters through which we perceive and interpret the world around us, shaping our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors in the process. Thus, the relationship between our thoughts and our reality can be understood as a feedback loop, a continuous cycle of perception, interpretation, and action that reinforces and perpetuates our existing mental constructs. When we entertain positive thoughts and beliefs, we tend to perceive the world in a better light, leading to positive emotions, behaviors, and outcomes. Conversely, when we harbor negative thoughts and beliefs, we create a self-reinforcing cycle of negativity that colors our perception of reality and influences our experiences accordingly. But the influence of our thoughts on reality extends beyond mere perception. It also encompasses the realm of intention and manifestation. Across various spiritual traditions, there is a pervasive belief in the power of focused intention to manifest desired outcomes in the physical world. Whether through prayer, meditation, visualization, or other contemplative practices, individuals are able to harness the power of their thoughts to bring about tangible changes in their lives and the world around them. From a neuroscience perspective, the mechanisms underlying these phenomena remain the subject of ongoing research and debate. Some researchers have proposed that focused attention and intention may exert their effects by modulating neural activity in regions of the brain associated with perception, cognition, and emotion, thereby influencing our subjective experience of reality and our ability to manifest desired outcomes. In addition to the direct effects of focused intention on neural activity, there is also evidence to suggest that the brain may be capable of exerting subtle influences on the external environment through processes such as quantum entanglement and non-local consciousness. While these phenomena remain speculative and controversial within the scientific community, they offer intriguing possibilities for understanding the relationship between consciousness and reality. So here lies a crucial point of consideration. Not all thoughts are created equal. As a gardener tends to their garden, carefully nurturing the seeds while uprooting the weeds, we must also cultivate a garden of thoughts that align with our highest aspirations and values. Yet, despite our best intentions, many of us find ourselves ensnared in the tangled web of negative thinking, a web woven from the threads of fear, doubt, worry, and self-limiting beliefs. These negative thought patterns not only cloud our perception of reality, but also sap our vitality and diminish our capacity for joy and fulfillment. Fortunately, the journey toward liberation from the shackles of negativity begins with a single step, the step of awareness. By cultivating mindfulness and attentiveness to our thoughts, we can begin to discern the patterns and tendencies that govern our mental landscape. Through introspection and self-inquiry, we can unearth the roots of our negative thought patterns, shining the light of awareness upon them and facilitating their transformation. But awareness alone is not enough. True liberation from the grip of negativity requires a proactive commitment to cultivating positivity in all areas of our lives. This entails not only reframing negative thoughts into positive ones, but also consciously choosing to focus our attention on that which uplifts and inspires us. If all we consume is an information diet of negativity, we will find it very challenging to raise our vibration to a higher state. We must try our hardest to regulate the negative inputs we voluntarily expose ourselves to, and counteract them with positive ones to maintain a healthy balance. This will make it much easier to dwell within a mental state that is conducive to creating abundance in our lives. Having said all that, this isn't only about ourselves as individuals. The power of our thoughts and beliefs extend far beyond the confines of our individual lives. It permeates the very fabric of collective consciousness. History bears witness to the transformative power of visionary leaders and social movements fueled by their unshakable beliefs, good or bad. The collective consciousness of humanity, like a vast ocean teeming with currents and eddies, reflects the sum total of all our individual thoughts, emotions, and actions. Thus, the power of our thoughts is both a blessing and a responsibility. A blessing insofar as it empowers us to shape our reality, and a responsibility in that it compels us to cultivate a better reality for humanity and the planet that we call home. So to reiterate, thoughts are a very real source of energy that are extremely potent creative forces. Our thoughts shape our experiences by sculpting the neural architecture of our brains and influencing our perception, interpretation, and response to the world around us. By exploring the depths of our own consciousness and harnessing the power of our thoughts, we have the potential to co-create a reality that is aligned with our highest aspirations and deepest values. As we embark on this journey of self-discovery and transformation, may we be guided by the wisdom of the ages and the light of our own inner truth, knowing that the power to create a better world lies within each and every one of us. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found something useful in this video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing for similar content. I also look forward to reading your thoughts in the comments section. As always, remember to keep growing and stay blessed.